weekend.
I got a good hair day today.
Yeah.
Just not feeling it.
I'm not feeling it. Alright.
Are you gonna make some noise? Is that why you're telling me to put these on?
Yes.
What?
Better
Just
put this on.
tricky. I can hear you. Hopefully there's no huntsman's in this bunch of...
Oh, Jesus Christ, that is tough. Solid. Ripping up the old vinyl and old flooring. Just about to clean up the chassis. I'm trying to get rid of the sort of screws and pot rivets that's on it. You can see there, take them out. Just pretty much just clean up the chassis. Probably quick that. This is hard work. So I've been grinding and cleaning all the rust out on the chassis for the last couple of days. Part of this renovation, getting the chassis done, so putting some rust converter on it. Anyways, I'm gonna get cracking and get going. It's just So how we looking here? Looks a lot. Looks good. Like once it's painted, wait till I paint it. We're just putting the new chassis on. Oh, not putting on, but putting the steel for the chassis, the new chassis.
Measuring up?
Measuring up. Because I haven't done any video of this, just to document a little bit of this. Anyways, there's a drawbar, 150 by 50 mil, and that's our main chassis, which is 150 by 3 mil, and Celeste is excited. Yeah, so anyways, looks a bit solid than the old chassis.